Now, your first warm weather forecast with meteorologist Joey Marino.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. We're off to a sun-filled start to our day as we take a live look at our Mercy Health SkyTrack camera right over downtown Rockford. Got a couple of cars traveling over the Jefferson Street Bridge. Even can see some clouds moving overhead, but we're partly sunny out there this morning. If you live up in southern Wisconsin, you're dealing with a few more clouds because of thunderstorm activity out in central Wisconsin. But overall, it's been a warm and muggy start to our Friday. Temperatures, for the most part, in the low 70s. We're at 73 degrees here in Rockford, 70 up in Janesville, 72 in Freeport, and 70 out in Galena. Now, for the most part this morning, the thunderstorm activity has been confined to areas north of Madison and Milwaukee. A lot of flash flooding occurring because of these slow-moving thunderstorms, but we here in the state line have only gained a few clouds from that thunderstorm activity, and it's because of a stationary boundary that those storms haven't moved all that much. But it's not because of this boundary that we here in the state line are going to see a thunderstorm chance going into this evening. It's because of the cold front behind it. It's this cold front here that you see in southeast South Dakota that's going to be moving into northwestern Iowa within the next couple of hours. That's the cold front that's going to slide through this evening, not only bringing us a chance for severe weather later on today, but cooler temperatures for the weekend. So let's time that out using Futurecast. And to be honest, models haven't done a good job at getting a good grip on the severe threat for later today. But this particular model has done the best job with the thunderstorm activity from this morning. You can see that it stays off to the north, leaving us partly sunny heading into the early afternoon. So we'll have the sunshine there, and then as we head into this evening, that's when thunderstorms begin to spark up along that cold front in northeast Iowa and also southwest Wisconsin. You see this line of thunderstorms that make their way closer to the state line by about 4 or 5 o'clock, and then make their way through the state line as we go through 9, 10 o'clock tonight. So that's going to be the time frame to be weather ready with the severe weather later on today, is from 5 to 10 o'clock, because after that cold front passes through, we do quiet down and also cool down heading into our Saturday. Now, here's the latest severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center this morning. You can see that they do keep the entire state line area under that enhanced risk for severe weather. That's level 3 of 5 in the categories for severe weather, because thunderstorms later on today will have the biggest threats with strong winds and also large hail. And because of the thunderstorms being discrete initially, there could also be an isolated tornado. And when it forms into a line, sometimes you get a kink in the line, and that could also form a tornado as well. So we do have a chance for an isolated tornado, but winds and also hail are going to be the biggest threats. The ingredients are there. Just know that there is the possibility for severe weather between 5 and 10. It all comes down to if the ingredients do come together. But just make sure to have multiple ways to receive watches and warnings, whether it's your weather radio, your television, and also your cell phone. Just make sure that you have your safe place and severe weather kit ready to go as well, because after the cold front passes through, we are going to quiet down heading into the upcoming weekend. Temperatures dropping into the upper 70s for Saturday and Sunday, and we do stay cool heading into the start of next week. So Whitney, just one more 90-degree day before we cool down for the weekend. Back to you.